Yes, car's done. I'm early for once. I have weeks before I have to even get to a track. Car's running great, tip top, no problems. I should go out and do some donuts in it. No, I shouldn't go do that.
Do a donut.
No,
Now.
no, I'll wait. I'll drive it some more before I do that.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no, I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah.
Fine, let's go.
Yes.
All right, so been kind of a frustrating week. We got no parts in, basically. We did get the control arm bushings is what we're gonna get installed, but motor-wise, we really haven't gotten anywhere. The crank is done. I didn't pick it up today because I don't have any parts, so I'll pick it up Monday. Tomorrow, we are going to work on completely tearing this motor down and deep cleaning it. So we will document that. But that'll be tomorrow. Today, we gotta get all this cleaned up. Clutch will be here Monday too. That was kind of another thing. Clutch will be here Monday. Bearings will be here Monday. So Monday's the day we get that installed. So that'll be the next video. But what we got today are these. These here are really nice. I don't remember doing this on the last bushing set I had, but they actually like have the part number on here engraved. It was really, really nice. Kind of sucked. They forgot about me, but it's okay. Shout out to Revshift. I'm still going to use all your stuff because it's green and it looks cool. So yeah. All my other bushings in the back are Revshift. And then one big question. I do not run 2 calipers in the back, but I need feedback. I need it. What do I do? What do I do, guys? Do I do it? Do I go dual caliper? That's the question. I don't know. Depends how many likes I get on the video. You know, if I get more than, you know, my average 4, can I get 5? Maybe 6, 7? Could I hit 10? I don't know. We'll see. But I'm debating. I might still do it. So I don't know. Let's start getting the front end tore apart. Start getting these old rubber bushings out and get to it. All right, so we got the first control arm off. I found a little bit of play in this sway bar link. You hear it? So we'll go ahead and get that swapped out while we got this apart. I'll try to see if there's any upgrades. I don't know if they sell any upgrades for these. Never really looked. So I'll look and see if they sell a nice set. I'll buy a nice set. If not, I'll just buy OEM. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and hammer these control arm bushings out. I'm gonna take them up there to the press and try to get them out. Okay, so I just went through hell, I'm not gonna lie. This one, the little bushing, super difficult. Did not want to come out. Press, no. Torch, no. It took a half hour, 40 minutes of burning the bushing out. Because it's like, you've never seen a bushing. It's like aluminum, bushing, steel, bushing, steel. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I didn't do a ton of damage. I nicked around the edges a little, so I have to clean them up, but nothing major. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean them up, get the sway bar link off. Probably wash the control arm real quick, and then get it installed tonight. We'll do the other side in the morning. All right, so I'm human, never done this before. Also, I'm sorry, Revshift, I do like your guys' products, but this here is funny. The install kit says remove the bushings, install the new ones, and reinstall them on the vehicle. Don't waste the paper. No, this, I was wrong. I lied to you, and I am so sorry. This has to come out. This doesn't go on there. I lied, my bad. I'm gonna go take it out real quick. All right, so I got it out, just letting it cool down for a minute. But one thing I wanted to talk about. So, okay, so here is the puck that goes in the front control, and this is what was bad in my car. This kind of just literally fell right out. But what I did to temporarily save myself is I bought the 90A urethane in the guns, and I just cleaned it out, sprayed it out with brake clean, and poured it in and tried to fit it as tight as possible. And I will say I did this like 9 months ago. This is like in perfect shape, mind you. And it literally fits right in there and filled all the cavities. It was ugly because I did it in the car. I would definitely suggest doing it outside of the car. But if anyone's ever thinking about using the urethane to like fix a bushing temporarily, or even making your own bushing or something, honestly, I would recommend it. After seeing the quality, like I said, I know the outside's ugly because I did it in the car, but you can still see it. It formed the whole bushing. I mean, that was really cool. First time I ever did it. So if you guys ever think about doing it and need it like in a pinch or something, go ahead. Rough night, but we are getting there. Bushings are installed. So these have to be clocked a certain way. So make sure they're clocked the proper way, but as you can see, they're on. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this one installed and then start working on the other side.
Game over. You failed.